Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be another cornrow braid design for black women. So we use the threading method to stretch out her 4C hair just so that it will be longer and lighter, easier to make, since we are using expression braiding hair just to help it to blend better. So when we were done with that, I sectioned her hair into 4. Each of the section looks almost as big as this one. So I had in the middle first, and then each of the half I shared into half again, and each of these sections I made the design you are going to see. So because I wanted the hair to be a little bit fuller at the back and then to reduce the pain behind on the nape of the neck, we added 2 lines of braid under each of those 4 sections, and after that I started making the feed-in braid. This is what the back looked like, and then we started. So I'm just going to let you see the design because I can't explain it. I just took out her edges and then braided, although I later had to put a lot of it back because because she wanted it so please, if you enjoyed this video, do not skip the ads as you watch. That way I can make some money. You can leave a thumbs up so that I will know you like the video. You can leave a thumbs down if you don't like it so that I won't waste my time making videos nobody needs. Okay, I really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful